Oka kĩeha kĩnene na kĩmako thutha wa Karangũ Mũraya gũpost gũkũ nenda-inĩ cia Facebook atĩ brother yake Kangema atĩ nĩarĩkia kũhurũka. Nĩararĩ thibitarĩ gwa kahinda kanini no nĩakĩhurũka na ihenya. Apostirie ũũ Facebook: Dear bro Joshua Mũraya Kangema, you have gone too soon. You promised not to disappoint me, but you have done it bro. I remember your last word. Karangũ itu, Ngai akuongerere nyingĩ. I don't know what to do now. I don't know what to tell mom. Dear Lord, this is too much for me. Na rĩu kwĩ macambĩki marehete mawoni mao gũkũ comment section ta Prophetess Monica nĩacangirie akauga, Oh God, please comfort this family. This is too much for one family. 1 year, God, come please and hold them. Hena ũngĩ wĩtagwo Mary Mwangi nĩaugĩte, Ngai apana aki. This is too much. Think I'm dreaming. What? This is unbelievable. I guess it's just but a prank. Nake Bishop Ng'ash nĩaugĩte, Oh no, pole sana. Let him rest in peace. Nake Caroline nĩaugĩte, Jesus, no, why this? May God give you grace to overcome. I have no words. Nake Joru Thomas nĩaugĩte, Oh no, Kangema, take heart brother and the entire Mũraya family. Akiuye Karangũ, just the other day I was watching his content. Na he ũngĩ wĩtagwo Romano Kairũ nĩaugĩte, Are you serious, woi my lord? Nake ũngĩ wĩtagwo Nitangi nĩaugĩte, Oh no guy, Aki Kangema, you could have fought much harder. Aki Nauma, what you mean? Wachichindia is no more, just like that? Kai woi, aje sasa, that was too fast.